On this episode of OK Garage and Mountain Adventures, we're going to work on the Liberty. We haven't come up with a name for it yet, so we'll just call it the Liberty. Hope I can find my compression tester, but I've got Coil Packs, Injectors, and it finally threw an engine code. So we're going to read the check engine light and see what kind of code it's throwing up. Maybe it's going to give us a misfire and tell us exactly what's wrong with it now. Anyway, we'll get started on this. Okay, so I use a program called Torque, and it's going to read my codes. If all this goes as planned, my screen will be up here. So I've got random multiple cylinder misfire detected, cylinder 2 misfire detected, tap for multiple descriptions, driver 5 line 4, programming communication error, network. Well, we're not a Mitsubishi.
What's a Mitsubishi?
It's a brand of vehicle. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected. Got a new one, network.
It just says no.
Cylinder 2 misfire. So we know we got something going on with cylinder 2. So, let's get to working on it. See if I can figure it out. I looked this up previously, so I didn't know this. But on 3.7 Chrysler engine, it's cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6.
Trucks
so cylinder 2 has the misfire. So it's this one right here. Let's remove some of this stuff so we can get to the fuel rails and the
nostalgia in
Coil Packs.
every sight. Each truck a story, each horse a friend. In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. Under the stars, we roll around. Horses prance, trucks sound profound. In this space, time stands still. Every toy, a part of me, you'll fulfill. Each truck a story, each horse a friend. In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I'm free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. With trucks and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. With trucks and horses, I own free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may.
of the canopy. Making trips back and forth, trying to build that thing. It was it's not a 10, it's an 11. Here's the 11. Slowly stick it to the fender, stick it to the side of the frame, wherever, and that's it. That was 2, 4, 6, 1. Shouldn't be that bad. This has water on the thread because I pressure washed it. Look this here. There's number 1. Number 3. Okay, so we'll take the fuel rail off to get to the injectors. Doesn't look. pressure out of the fuel rack. See these plugs. Sorted. Here, I'm some of you guys over here. I didn't know I had y'all leaning. Sorry about that. Just some of it. This one's 2.
In my garage, lined up tight, trucks and horses, side by
I'm looking
side.
at my
Rustic dreams under neon lights, nostalgia in every
that and
sight.
that ring.
Each
So,
truck a
1,
story,
2, 3, 4, and
each
6.
horse a
I
friend.
still have a gasket down in there.
In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. Under the stars,
Good.
we
I'm
roll
glad I heard that
around.
land because it sounded like it went
horses
in the cylinder. Or it looked like it
trucks
went in the
sound
cylinder, but I
profound.
heard it bounce off the cardboard.
In this
All right, I'm gonna turn my
space,
vacuum on and vacuum out
time
these boards.
stands still.
See if I can get them a little cleaner.
Every toy, a part of me, you'll feel. Each truck a story, each horse a friend. In this garage, we're never alone. With trucks and horses, I'm free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. Trucks and horses I roam free. In this place, my heart's set free. Garage doors open, night or day. Memories stay, come what may. With trucks and horses, I roam free. In this place, my heart's set
Well, my camera
free.
says it got too hot and it shut down. I don't know at what point it shut down. But I'm done for the day. I started the Jeep up. It's still running on 4 cylinders. I think the valve seats fell and the valves are holding on to them, so it doesn't have compression in 2 cylinders. I'll have to get I can't find my compression tester, so I'll have to pick one up and revisit that. But I'll save that for another episode. So anyway, this Mustang's for sale. Gotta sell it to buy parts for a little girl's car. So if you want to buy a Mustang, hit me up. cdub@gmail.com. Y'all have a good evening. Bye.